Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this 2-car garage and we're getting the last of multiple coatings off the floor. So you can see there's still some stuff on the floor. It looks really bad. Right over here is kind of indicative of what we walked into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a brief insert, so you can see how bad the floors really were when we got here. So I just wanted to do a little segment here with these inserted images, the 2 images, this one and the next one, just to give you an idea what the floor really looked like when we got here. I mean, it's a bit of a mess. But you can see in the first image we're making a lot of progress, cutting through those layers along the edge here. And you can see you get through one layer, then underneath that there's another layer. But you can also see we're starting to expose the actual concrete. Now in the next segment altogether, when we do the final preview of the way we conditioned the floor, you'll see the floor is, all this coating is gone and it's just all back down to bare concrete again. It looks really good. It was a great surface in the end for epoxy application. You can see along the edge here of the wall just the multiple coatings. I mean, it was really rough. So we are going to fix up this lead-in edge. It's pretty ugly out here too. You can see the coatings that were still on the edge that we haven't ground yet. So we are going to grind this back and repair it before we put the final floor in. Okay, our prep is all done. We have the coatings removed. There was several coatings on here, but in the end the floor looks really good. It was really rough, but it was just layers upon layers of coatings. So you can see we have our repairs in, we have our cracks repaired. Pretty good repair underneath the sink. They must have had to replumb it at one time. It was uneven, so we filled that in. So this is a 2-car flat, meaning they don't get any baseboards. Those are an option. A lot of repairs along the edges as well. This color blend is Coyote. Okay, here's our finished product. Job looks beautiful. Removed a lot of coating off this floor. What was good about this floor, underneath all those coatings, the concrete was really in good shape. So it was a lot of effort to get it off, but once we got it all off, the floor turned out really nice. So this job was a coating removal, diamond grinding, repairs, industrial grade epoxy, so this floor is a flat floor, doesn't have any baseboards, but the way this floor was laid out, it didn't really need the baseboards in this case. It looks pretty good without them. A little bit unusual, hole in the middle of the floor. This color blend is Coyote. And here's that color, both in and out of the sun. Really appreciate that top coat in the sun. And here's the lead-in edge after those repairs. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.